How's everyone doing today? Been here watching Bitcoin. I wanted to discuss the compound fulcrum. Um, I believe we could have hit the bottom, or at least a temporary bottom, as of right now in Bitcoin. I'm gonna explain why I think that with the compound fulcrum right here. If you look at this, it says a rare but powerful compound fulcrum, and it's usually a reversal signal, and I think that's what we're looking at in Bitcoin right now. You'll see this is our last drop we came off of, and if you compare this, let me see if I can. No, I can't. But take a look at that. And take a look at where we're at now. This looks a lot like it, and this right here. You look back on here. It said the final bear trap, and I believe that's what we're in right now. Um, This looks a lot like it. And if I draw a line to kind of show you where we're at, I'm watching this trend line here. And once we break that one, I think our next trend line's right here. If you look at this, I go into the 4 hour, zoom out a little bit. This looks like a falling wedge. And I believe if we get out of this pattern, um, we may get stopped right here by the 200 EMA if we break out of this, which also, I want to say this is not financial advice. Um, Everybody should do their own due diligence. I'm just sharing my thoughts and what I see in the market. Hold on a second. All right, so what I see, let's go back to the 1 hour. And like I said, I believe this is a compound fulcrum right here. And if you look at it, let me zoom back in a little bit. Here's where we come down, just like in the picture. Then up, and there's our peak. We come back down around, and this is where I was talking about the final bear trap stage. And what I believe is going to happen here, we might test this and bounce around in between this green area that I have right here. And this is a trading area. This top was our old resistance, and I believe it's going to become our new support. And what I'm thinking is we could come pop up through this, maybe come back down, test back in here, and come up from this trend line from the falling wedge that I showed you. Maybe come back up, retest it. And we'll probably test this area, the 33, around the 3350 area. If we break through that and make that support, I believe that that will confirm the compound fulcrum. So the area I'm going to be watching. The area I'm going to be watching is, first of all, these two trend lines. This white trend line right here is acting as resistance, and we should hit that anywhere in between 3265 and 3250, which is where this green trading area, the top of that's where our resistance is right now. Once we break above that, like I said, we may play in this little area right here before we bounce out. And then this is the next area of resistance I'm looking at. It's the yellow trend line here. Once we break through that, if we break through that, like I said, really watch the area 3650. I think if we break above 3650, I think this is definitely a compound fulcrum. And that's not to say this is the final bottom by any means. But I'm looking maybe anywhere from the 42 to $5,000 range is where we could bounce up from that one. 42 to 52. I guess the further we go, the closer we get to it. And if we break this resistance here at the 3650, then we'll know more from there. And I just wanted to put a short video and explain why I thought, that we may be looking at a compound fulcrum. Um, it would be nice to see, like I said, after that though. I mean, we could drop back down to 2,800, or even lower, but I really don't see us going much lower than 28. I mean, a lot of people are saying it's possible. I just really don't see it. But I guess once more data's in, when we get to that point, then it's something we can look at. First of all, let's see if we even are in this compound fulcrum, which I believe would be nice. It'd be a great trading opportunity. But again, this is not trading advice. I'm just showing you my view on the market and what I'm seeing. Um, if this helped you out or sounded interesting to you, please hit like and share and give me a thumbs up, and go ahead and leave some comments of stuff I can do to try to make this channel a little bit better. I'm just starting it. I really bare bones right now, so but I would definitely like to work on it and get some stuff going on this channel. Maybe get some other people to help me out. Anyways, uh, please give it a like and a thumbs up or thumbs down. Either one doesn't matter to me. But just I don't know. Let's see what happens here, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate it.